Sandy the Kentucky Crafter here. Welcome back to my craft room. I have been making more Christmas cards and I thought I would share them with you all. So we'll start with these. So I took some nice brown cardstock and made these as my bases and added some lace and ribbon trim here and then added this cut apart on the inside. Here's another one where I used some rickrack, and this is a wooden die cut of a snowflake, and I added a little bit of gold paste to kind of give it a little bit of sparkle, and then I stamped the background with my music stamp here, and then this is the inside. And so it's been so much fun. I've been using up a lot of my stash of cut-aparts and things like that. Here's another one. These are all cut-aparts that I've layered and some white cardstock and then an old sticker. I love how this one looks. And then the inside I used my stamp and added a little sticker right there. And what I do is I cut out some white cardstock to add in for the inside base of the card. And then one more with the brown cardstock. And here are some cut aparts of a pine cone and some holly leaves. I added a little bit of lace and some berries. And here's just another strip of cardstock and added a nice little lace trim. And on the inside again did some stamping. Used the vintage photo ink on that one. Here is another card I did, and this card base is just a beautiful double-sided card, and then I just did a layer of cardstock, a plaid, and then the lace, and then I had these little poinsettias, I think they're paper, that were in my stash, just to add a little something, and then this is a cut apart and added a little sticker there. These next ones, I had some pretty blue cardstock that I thought would go well with this next paper pad. And if you want to see the paper pads I'm using, you can check out, I'll link that video here, and you can see all the different paper pads that I'm using. But here I I stamped the background. I don't know if you can see that with that music note stamp, added a strip of this paper, and this beautiful cut apart. Just love the blue in that. And then again added another just simple stamped with some snowflakes and a sentiment stamp. This one is kind of fun. Did the baby it's cold outside, another little strip. And these are from a roll. I don't have it handy or I would show you, but they're it's like snowflake ribbon basically. So I just snipped off a couple snowflakes and added them on here, and then added this little cut apart inside so I can write a little note in there. And then this one, another really cute cut apart from that paper pack. And then I had this in my stash from last year, got it at Hobby Lobby. And then the inside, I just inked up around the paper and added this sentiment. I'm really loving how these are coming out. Here's another really sweet cut apart from that paper pad. Added some really thin lace, pink and white lace in the background. And then again, just another simple stamp, and I inked up the edges. And this is with that Kitsch Flamingo color. And I like that with the blue. These next ones, these papers kind of speak for themselves here, but I really like them. I did add this Merry Christmas sticker here. Again, some double-sided papers that are pretty, and then just a real simple sentiment on the inside. And then this one is Darling, this really pretty reindeer paper with the little silver foil there. I added this cut apart on top and then added a little bow and some of this eyelash ribbon I have. And then again, another little sentiment, and just stamped Merry Christmas on there. And I love the inside of this paper too. And you can see, you know, on the inside of this paper and the inside of this paper, I used those scraps over on these two cards right here. So you can always use up your scraps. So you want to save those. And then this one, another beautiful paper with the Santas and the little fairies. And I had cut out with some glitter cardstock on my Cricut a bunch of different shapes. I have, let's see, where are they? I have some Christmas trees and some bells and some gold stars and some more blue stars and some more circles. And so I thought a blue star would look really pretty here on this one, just to add another little sparkle detail. And then the inside, again, just added a really nice cut apart sentiment. So it's really fun being able to use up some of my paper pads from last year, or the cut aparts from last year that I had left over with my new paper pads this year. And then this is my last little set, kind of like a cozy Christmas, cozy winter. Again, this really pretty sentiment, and I love this paper. And then just another really nice sentiment on the inside. And then this one, Hello Winter. I just love that. I think that's so cool. And then all is calm, all is bright. These papers are so pretty. And then here's a fun one. Really cute, kind of a rustic farmhouse kind of look. And then I added the reindeer, and I stitched around this on my sewing machine before I glued it in. And I really think it just adds that final little touch like that a lot. And then here's another one, Cozy Time. And then I stitched around this one as well. And I just really think it adds a lot. I really like how it comes out. And I like that it's not straight. I can't sew a straight line. And then this one, another really pretty cut apart. And then I backed it on some green paper. And then I backed this sentiment with this paper here. And then the last one, love this little reindeer. And I love it on this paper. And then the inside, just holly jolly. You have the holly here. So I've had so much fun making these cards this year. Really just kind of, letting my creativity go. This is my first time doing these, brown cardstock ones. And some of those are some of my favorites. So anyway, I hope that you all are having a good evening. And let me know in the comments below what you think of my Christmas cards. You all have a good evening, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.